Hey guys, Best Stock Garage here. It's my son Parker. A couple videos ago you see the swap meet, we got a fiberglass body gave to us. Well, we had his old go-kart at camp and it's seen better days. So, what are we going to be building, Parker?
Building what again?
It's an old Murray.
Fast.
And we're going to be putting a different motor on it, a live axle, and fitting your fiberglass body to it, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we got to move the steering to center because it's offset steering. We're going to unload it and I'll show you a little bit more about it and let him show you. He's a little shy, guys, camera shy. You can see that the steering's off to the side. We don't have to center everything the way the body is, so we'll have to cut up a lot, fabricate a lot.
And then no chain.
And right now it's only a single wheel pull. We're gonna put a live axle from Go Power Sports in and redo all these old welds that we did a long time ago. And we're gonna go for a bigger engine. This engine's good, I think. It's an old Briggs. Came off an old pressure washer.
We're gonna get a very fast engine.
But it ain't locked up or nothing. I'd say it would run. I guess we could see if it runs before
There's no gas.
we pull it apart.
There's no gas in it.
Ain't none at all in there, either. Might have some we can stick in there.
I don't remember how it started.
Alright guys, we popped the chain off just to be safe because the clutch was sticking real bad. And this thing's been set for what, 4 years? Been going 4 years? I think so. I think it's been about 4 years. I can't even remember how it started. Ready? Might not start, Parker. I say it's just a carburetor issue. Been sitting a long time. Or we just put a Predator on it. Brand new Predator. No, we won't worry about getting it running. I ain't gonna take the time to mess with it. We'll just give it to Pat. What do you think?
Then what's the pattern?
That motor.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm sure it'd run if I took the time and did a bunch of stuff, but we're just gonna put a different motor on it. It wants to go fast, so.
First, we gotta see if the Predator will fit in the frame.
We'll make it fit. Right now, I'm gonna put him to work. I'm gonna have him take the roll cage off and the seat belts and let him wash it all off so we can see if the body will set on it. Ready? Almost. A little stuck. Alright, now grab the front. Grab the front. Watch your head. Now just grab all the bolts, seat belts, all that stuff's junk. Okay. Throw it all in the trash can. Now once the body's on there, we have to figure out safety roll cage for you. So we might have to use that old tube and bend you up a halo around the top of you.
What's it called? A halo? It should be called an igloo.
Or we could cut holes in that fiberglass body where that will set down through the body and put it back on.
That?
Yeah. And we can set it back down on. Well, we gotta see if the body's gonna fit right.
Perfect.
Show what you're doing. We can move that axle forward. We got plenty of room. Here. Video it and show them what you're doing. It's already rolling.
Okay.
Tell them we're going to move that back axle forward a little bit.
And move this axle forward, which is gonna put it about right here. Right here. So then that's gonna be
Keep the
centered.
camera steady or no one's going to see what you're doing.
It's gonna be centered. So then
We're going to move the steering wheel in the center.
that's gonna move this in right there. And then to get this thing to fit. This,
We can make it work.
we gotta paint it. We gotta repaint the go-kart itself because it's rusty back there.
Then
Gotta buy a new motor. Gotta buy tires. Gotta buy a chain. We gotta buy a steering wheel, gas pedals, axles.
which we can utilize this old piping, old roll cage, or we can cut holes in that body and put the roll cage back on it. But I don't think it'll look right. You?
We're also going to move the seat back and then move it from here to about right there. But I'm going to pressure wash it. So.
He's gonna pressure wash it all up, and then we'll start cutting and hacking here probably this week. Hold on, Bub, I'll help you. And then that's it for now, guys. Starting on his project now instead of finishing mine, but that's okay. But what do we say, Parker?
Make sure to like and subscribe.
You gotta say it louder.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
See you guys later. Hey guys, Bus Stop Garage here. Just figured we'd maybe my son started this go-kart build that he wanted to do, and we showed you guys where we tore it down to see if the body fit, and we're gonna make the body work. So now just keep this in mind. He used his own hard-working money to buy this, and we're gonna unbox it in front of you. And then we'll tell you why we went with this engine. But here we go. Get the stool out. A little crowded here because we're building harnesses, goat carts, and gators in the way. He's gonna have to go outside for a little bit, but all right. So, why'd we go with this one?
Because it has more torque than the original one we was gonna get.
Okay, we was gonna go with the 212, Predator 212.
It's 0.1 more horsepower than the other one.
But the 224 had more torque, like he was saying, and it had one more point of horsepower. So the torque was, I think it was 10.2 on torque, and the 212 was 8.1. Don't quote me on that because I can't remember. I didn't write it down. Got a bad memory. But how much did you pay for this?
180.
180 of your what?
My mowing and saving money.
Mowing and saving money. So I'm gonna give you the old reliable, trusty Milwaukee. Do not cut yourself. Should be able to cut here and down the middle on each side. Guys, I'm trying to stand back. I just got stuff in the way so you can see him do it. You just got to do the top. Here and the other side and down the middle. I just got stuff in my way. He's super excited. We're gonna unbox this and let you see it. And then, of course, you guys know what's going on. We're gonna get rid of that old 6.75 horsepower Briggs.
No, we're going to use it as a backup.
He wants to use it as a backup. I think we're just gonna give it to old Pap. Get it out of my garage.
Still going to have it as a backup, but it's going to be a pack.
And this ain't no paid promotion or anything like that. This is just a dad and son building his go-kart. Ooh, instructions with different jets, it looks like. O-rings and some different sized jets.
Oh, wait, I gotta take it. Okay.
Alright.
Will it be satisfying?
I don't know.
3, 2, 1. Okay.
Alright, now this is where I'm going to have to help you. That's the funnel. There's no oil in it, so you can't. We'll get all that put in it later after we get it mocked up. Now I'm going to have to set this down somewhere to help. Alright, got you guys set up here.
Will this be satisfying? Oh.
Alright, we got the stool. We'll have to pull the box.
Sticker. Never mind. Not stickers.
Put your stool up. I'm going to pick the motor up and you're going to pull the box off, okay?
Yep. Alright, ready?
Let me slide it off. Let me slide it off. Oh, figure it out.
Well, hopefully you didn't break anything.
Get everything out of it.
You got it. Okay. Bring this right.
Okay, grab the people.
People.
Yep. I'll hold it.
Okay.
Oh man, I got it all zoomed in and everything. So there it is.
She said to check and see if there's any gas, right?
No, she said if we return it, something's wrong.
There can't be gas.
I'll get some oil tomorrow and we'll start it tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh.
Easy, killer. Easy. Okay, easy.
And that guy said to run the snot out of these things.
Well, yeah, because they're warranty. Alright, well guys, I convinced him to get the 224. Just because it had more torque. And he likes to whip some donuts. So yeah. This is what we got now. We'll get it all straightened out and we'll get her mocked up on the old go-kart here. We decided to wait on the live axle. He's wanting to save a little bit more money before we do that.
Fix it.
Don't touch that. You're going to get grease all over your shirt.
But
So
we're gonna, if we can't fix this one, we're gonna see if we can buy a separate axle
yeah.
instead of having to buy a kit.
But for now, with the body, we got to cut the fenders off. So we got a lot of work to do to make the body fit it correctly.
And then I can
And then here, we're going to cut it off here and there, and we'll move it to center. We're going to cut off the footstep and move the pedals over where we can use it. We'll make it all work. It's just,
it's already moving.
you got to stay tuned.
It's already moving.
Well, there's a chain on it. Got to buy a new drum brake and drum and a new clutch and chain. steering wheel and steering rod, one, and new tires on the front.
The reason that we went for a new motor is because getting a new motor would have been the better option instead of paying way more money to fix this one because...
Well, that one's been ran hard. You guys had that a long time.
No dip.
And you guys ran that motor hard. Alright guys, we decided to go ahead and make sure this motor's going to start and run. Just to be safe, make sure we don't need to return it. Alright. Now, you fill it up into the oil tip of the thread. Hold on a minute. Hold on. Hold in the tunnel. Go slow, don't take much. Slow. Hold up. Alright. Open the gas lid and put a little bit of gas in it. Open the tank.
I didn't know that was attached.
That should be good. Easy. Alright. Now, fuel on. Choke to start. Don't touch that. That's the throttle. Now, here's your on and off. Okay. Pull it. Alright.
Is that moving?
Yeah, it's not bolted down. Now you try. Water. You know, the whole time he was cranking, I had the switch off. I was reading it upside down. We can't really run it that too long like that because it moves too much. So, our next step is grab the body. Make sure our rear axle's where we need it. And then we can weld all that back together and bolt the motor up. What you gotta say?
Make sure to like and subscribe. Bustin' Talking Garage out.
See you guys later. Don't forget to like and subscribe.